Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 4 exercise 4.3. First one, solve the following homogeneous differential equation. So x into dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Now we have to change us into dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x. Since the numerator and denominator are homogeneous function of degree 1. So, put y is equal to vx. So, dy by dx is equal to, instead of y, we have to substitute vx. So, first differentiate this one. So, dy by dx is equal to v into x differentiation 1 plus dv by dx into x. So, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus dv by dx into x. Now, we have to take us v plus x into, instead of dy by dx, you have to substitute in this equation. So, instead of dy by dx, you have to substitute v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x plus, what is y? Vx. So, vx divided by x. Now, we have to, this is x into dx. So, here x plus vx divided by x. So, here have to take out of x into, what is the common for x is the common, 1 plus v divided by x, x cancel. And then we have to change into v, that side goes that side, we will get x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v minus v. So, plus v and minus v cancel. So, x into dv by dx is equal to 1. After that, we have to separate the variables. We will get dv is equal to dv one side and dx one side. So, dv is equal to dx by x. So, separating the variables, we will get dv is equal to dx divided by x. After that, we have to integrate this one. We will get integral of dx by dx by x is equal to integral of dv. What is the formula for dx by x? That is log x. So, log x is equal to integral of dv v plus c. And then we have to take that log c, because log x is here. So, you have to take us log c. This is for log c. And log x minus log c is equal to v. And it is in the subtraction. So, we have to take us division. So, log of x by c is equal to v. If we remove this log, we will get e power v. So, x by c is equal to e power v. So, what is v? That is y by x. So, we have to change it like that. So, x is equal to c into e power, instead of v, we have to substitute y by x. So, what is the answer? X is equal to c e power y by x is the answer. The second question is, x minus y into dy by dx is equal to x plus 3y. So, now we have to change into dy by dx is equal to x plus 3y divided by x minus y. Now, it is in the numerator and denominator a homogeneous function of degree 1. So, now we have to put y is equal to vx. So, dy by dx is equal to v into v1 plus x into dv by dx. So, instead of dy by dx, you have to substitute in this equation. We will get v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x plus 3 into Vx. That is, instead of y, we have to substitute Vx divided by x minus Vx. And here x is the common. So 1 plus 3V and divided by x is common, 1 minus V. X cancel. And V plus x into dV by dx is equal to 1 plus 3V by 1 minus V. Now x into dV by dx is equal to 1 plus 3V by 1 minus V. This V minus V goes that side, we will get minus V. And we have to take the LCM for this one, 1 minus V. So that is equal to 1 minus V is the LCM. So the remaining 1 plus 3V minus V into 1 minus V. So that is equal to 1 plus 3V minus V plus V squared divided by 1 minus V. After that we have to separating the variables. We have to separate the variables. Now 3V minus V, we will get 1 plus 2V plus V squared minus divided by 1 minus V. Now in left hand side x into dV by dx is here. Now we have to separate the variables. If we separating the variables, we will get 1 minus V divided by 1 plus 2V plus V squared is equal into dV. This dV into dV is equal to dx by x. According to this, we are separating the variables. Now what we have to do? Next step, we have to integrate this one. If we integrate 1 minus V divided by 1 plus 2V plus V squared into dV is equal to integral of dx by x. If we integrate this one, we will get, that is 1 minus V divided by V plus pi by partial fraction. We have to do this for partial fraction. So what is the partial fraction method? By partial fraction for this denominator, we will get minus 1 by V plus 1 plus 2 by V plus 1 the whole square. Now we have to integrate this one, we will get, that is minus integral of minus 1 integral of 1 by V plus 1 into dV plus 2 into integral of 1 by V plus 1 the whole squared into dV is equal to, that right hand side is integral of dx by x. So what is the integration formula for this one? Minus of log V plus 1. Minus of log V plus 1. And for the next one, 2 into, that is V plus 1 the whole square. So we will get minus to power minus 2. So minus of minus 2 divided by V plus 1. And what is in the right hand side? That is log x plus log c. Log x plus log c. Now what we have to do? This is minus of log V plus 1 minus 2 by V plus 1 is equal to log xc, because it is in the plus. So we have to write in the division. So multiplication. This minus goes that side, we will get minus 2 divided by V plus 1 is equal to log xc plus log of V plus 1. And then next two step, minus 2 by V plus 1 is equal to log xc into, this is also in the plus, so we have to consider as log of xc into V plus 1. After that we have to replace V by y by x. V is equal to y by x, because y is equal to Vx means V is equal to y by x. So instead of V, you have to substitute y by x. We will get minus 2 divided by y by x plus 1 is equal to log xc y by x plus 1. After simplifying, we will get 2x divided, we have to take the LCM for this term. Let us see. Here you have to take the LCM, that is minus 2 divided by, that is LCM of x, y plus x is equal to, here also you have to take as log of xc and here x is the LCM, so y plus x. So what is the next step we will do? That is, we have to take us this for 2 minus 2x because it goes into the reciprocal. So minus 2x divided by x plus y is equal to log xc. Again you have to see x and x cancel. Here x and x cancel. So log c into x plus y. This goes into the reciprocal. So x plus y. Minus 2x divided by x plus y is equal to log c into x plus y. Now we have to remove the log, means we will get e power, that is e power minus 2x divided by x plus y is equal to c into x plus y. C into x plus y. And x plus y is equal to, we have to take us or simplify up to this one, you have to enough, but otherwise you have to simplify again, means x plus y is equal to 1 by c into x plus y is equal to 1 by c into e power minus 2x divided by x plus y. And x plus y is equal to, you have to take this 1 by c is equal to k. We will get any other constant. So x plus y is equal to k e power minus 2x divided by x plus y is the answer. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.